Hi guys, Tricia here from Decisive Designs, bringing you this beautiful tablescape. So tonight I have a gorgeous setting for you. And what I did was I brought it into my living room on this nice natural wood round table. I love this table. I had it now for quite some time, and I didn't paint it, but someone painted it. And I saw it and I thrifted it. But what I did was I got four stools that fits exactly under it. There is the legs. Don't you love them? And they fit really nice, tight, but nice. I like the clean look of them under this table. And I love that they are used, lived in a little bit, from this nice faux leather green to this kind of rust color. I try to spray this so it gets some dimension. I wanted to spray all four, but the spray can finish at two, and I never went to find another color like this to finish them because I was comfortable with two rustic and two lived in. But this table is just so gorgeous. I just love when you get colors and aesthetics that works perfectly. Um, I picked up this egg shape placemat at Home Goods, and to my surprise, I can use it on the silver side. So I got two in one, which is really nice. And apart from this, the shape is just lovely and it has texture on it, which I love. And what I paired with it was a rustic charger that I picked up a couple years ago from the dollar store. And I was amazed that they were a dollar each. Um, a lot of times I don't utilize my dollar stores and stores that is inexpensive for these things. I try to go thrifting a lot of times, or my favorite place to go is Home Goods because they have everything there that I would love to use. But check out your dollar stores. Plenty of things are there. Plus, you can make them into your own, which I love to do a lot of times. So, I wanted to do blue and yellow, um, but in a different way. I found these salad plates in reminiscent to something that my pastor had given me years ago, but it was red tone. So I picked these up. How gorgeous is this design, right? And they are from Pier One, and that's my favorite store of all time. Um, and I just love when I saw them, I'm like, what am I gonna do now? But I knew I had a lot of blue dishes that I could pair them with. I also have yellow, but I don't have a lot of this nice green color. I probably have a couple, but not the entire set. So next time when I go out to look, I'm gonna make sure that I pick up these colors so I can coordinate as I go on. Right. So isn't that gorgeous? And then the blue bottom plate. And what I did was I paired it with two napkins that really coordinates with the bottom of this setting, and how nicely they look together. And just a beaded ring in gold to bring it out. And I made sure that I have this gorgeous stemware to um, add to the table. How nice. And then these utensils are from Anita, and they are perfect in every way. I love them. I love the look of them and the design on them. And on this side, I have a different textured charger, which sometimes makes the table really, really nice and add a lot of texture, a lot of bang for your buck kind of. But it's the same way, and I love how it came out. Now my centerpiece, I try sometimes not to overdo it with my centerpieces, right? But one of the things that we really need to add to the table is fire. And with that said, it's, candles. Make sure you have candles because what that does, it balances your aesthetics. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab two of these candles because we always need fire. All right. And then look how gorgeous. I'm going to tuck these on the inside of this setting so I don't look at that. How gorgeous is it? I picked these up maybe a couple years ago. How nice. This is from Italy. Um, and it's fish design with yellow and blue and a touch of green. And how nice is that when you have something vintage that really talk to you? And all I did was I came in with a bunch of these, which coordinates with this large one. And I just put it just like so. Sometimes you don't look how fluffy that looks. Sometimes you don't need a lot. Sometimes a little goes a long way. Also, I could have taken one of these out and put in here and then add those two to it. But however you want to do it, it's your business. I love this set. Isn't it gorgeous? It is super gorgeous. And then I am just so in love and inspired by Chinese and Japanese design. And one of the things that I do get the eye for is to pick up unique things. And every now and then I picked up something beautiful. And this is a jacket, a Chinese jacket or a Japanese jacket. And look how gorgeous it is. And the light is black in it. But the tone in it, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks like caramel. I haven't had caramel in a while. It kind of stick to my teeth, my mouth when I eat it. But look at this caramel color Japanese vase. I just love it. Isn't that gorgeous? It is gorgeous. The detail on it, the mount on it, I love it. And I just put these in there and it just look gorgeous. Just look gorgeous. It's that simple. If you're fussing all the time about what to use or how to use it, then you may be doing something wrong. What you can do, you can look up whatever you Google, whatever you want to do, or even look at my channel and see how simple it is. And someone may say that, oh, the caramel vase does not go. And that's the thing. You don't have to match every little thing. But when you stand far from it, you see that it picks up little things and it highlights everything around it. And that's what you want. You want something unique. You want something eclectic. You want something that balances everything and not necessarily go with everything. So remember to pick up something unique. Go thrifting, go out of your town, see what's available, and then come back and use it in a special way. And I just love this table. I love the finish. I love how it came out. I love everything about it. And then this room that surrounds it is just super gorgeous. I have my photos on here and I fold some laundry over there, but yet it's still calming and it's still relaxing and ready for company. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also, knowing that spring is around the corner, just remember just to pick up a packet of seed this spring, and just plant away and watch it grow, and you will never ever regret it. Peace.